Hey there, Vegas explorers. Today on Journey Junkies, we're taking you on a whirlwind tour of Sin City's hidden gems. That's right, we're uncovering 10 lesser-known things to do in Las Vegas that'll have you saying, what happens in Vegas is actually pretty awesome. So, grab your lucky charm, and let's hit the strip. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more offbeat adventures and laughs along the way. 1. The Pinball Hall of Fame. First up, let's flip out at the Pinball Hall of Fame. This nostalgic arcade is home to over 200 pinball machines, ranging from vintage classics to modern marvels. So, get ready to set a new high score and relive your childhood, one flipper at a time. 2. The Downtown Container Park. Next, we're heading to the Downtown Container Park, where shopping and shipping collide. This unique outdoor mall is made entirely of repurposed shipping containers, housing boutique shops, eateries, and even a playground. It's the perfect place to shop, till you drop, or until your container is full. 3. The Neon Boneyard. Ready for a graveyard with a twist? Let's visit the Neon Boneyard, where retired Las Vegas signs go to shine one last time. Wander through this outdoor museum and marvel at the glowing relics of Sin City's past. It's like a history lesson, but with more neon. 4. The Art-O-Mat. Feeling artsy? Check out the Art-O-Mat, a repurposed cigarette vending machine that now dispenses original artwork. Pop in a token, pull the knob, and voila, you're the proud owner of a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Who knew quitting smoking could be so creative? 5. The Burlesque Hall of Fame. Now, let's add a little sizzle to our Vegas adventure with a visit to the Burlesque Hall of Fame. This museum celebrates the history and art of burlesque, showcasing dazzling costumes, vintage posters, and even a few cheeky performances. It's a titillating trip down memory lane. 6. The Akobe Art Installation. Ready to immerse yourself in a world of color? Step inside the Akobe Art Installation, a mesmerizing exhibit by renowned artist James Turrell. Located inside the Louis Vuitton store at City Center, this hidden gem offers a sensory experience like no other. Surrounded by vibrant, shifting hues, you'll feel as if you're floating in a kaleidoscope of light. Just be sure to book your free reservation in advance, as this captivating attraction is by appointment only. Trust us, it's worth the extra effort. 7. The Secret Pizza Place. Feeling hungry? Let's hunt down the Secret Pizza Place, a hidden gem tucked away in the Cosmopolitan Hotel. With no sign or official name, this speakeasy-style pizzeria serves up mouth-watering slices that'll have you coming back for more. Just follow your nose and the trail of satisfied customers. 8. The Mermaid Lounge. Dive into the enchanting world of the Mermaid Lounge, where you can sip on a cocktail while watching mesmerizing mermaid performances. Located inside the Silverton Casino, this aquatic oasis is the perfect place to escape the desert heat and make a splash with some mythical creatures. 9. The Zombie Apocalypse Store. Next, let's prepare for the end of the world at the Zombie Apocalypse Store. Stock up on survival gear, weapons, and even zombie-themed souvenirs. They also offer zombie survival classes, so you'll be ready to face the undead hordes in style. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry, or undead. 10. The National Atomic Testing Museum. Finally, we're going nuclear at the National Atomic Testing Museum. Discover the history of atomic testing in Nevada, explore interactive exhibits, and even experience a simulated bomb blast. It's a blast from the past that's sure to leave a lasting impression. And there you have it, folks, 10 lesser-known things to do in Las Vegas that'll have you exploring Sin City like a true insider. We hope you've enjoyed this offbeat adventure and are now inspired to uncover even more hidden gems in Vegas. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more quirky discoveries and laughs. Let us know in the comments which Las Vegas attraction you'd love to visit first, or if you have any other secret spots to share. Until next time, happy travels and keep exploring. Thanks for joining us on this Nevada adventure. If you're looking for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out our other videos, like 10 Essential Turks and Caicos Destinations, the ultimate travel guide. See you in the next video, and remember, adventure is always just around the corner.